Hello student, welcome to Take Simplified. Today we are going to discuss about electric current. Electric current is one of the most important basic concepts in electricity. In this video, we explain what is electric current in a very simple and easy way. You will learn what is electric current, definition of electric current, how electric current flows, direction of electric current, unit of it, and the simple diagram for better understanding. So, let's get started. Firstly, we'll see the introduction with daily life example. Electricity is part of our everyday life. We use electricity to switch on lights, run fans, charge mobile phones, and operate machines. But have you ever thought how electricity flows inside a wire? The answer is electric current. Let us understand what is electric current in a very simple way. Firstly, we'll see the definition of electric current. Electric current is defined as the flow of electric charges through a conductor. In most electrical circuits, these charges are electrons. When electrons move inside a wire, electric current is produced. Now we'll see why electric current flows. Electric current flows only when there is a closed path, which is called an electric circuit. A battery provides energy to push electrons through the wire. If the circuit is open, electrons cannot move and current will not flow. Now, we all know that there are two directions related to electric current. First is conventional current flows, which is flows from positive to negative terminal of the battery, and second is electron flow, which is flow from negative to positive terminal. Now we all know that what is the unit of this electric current. So the unit of this electric current is Ampere, which is represented by the symbol A. 1 ampere means 1 coulomb of charge flowing per second through a conductor. Now we'll take a simple example for understanding. Think of an electric current like water flowing in a pipe. Water flow is similar to electric current. Pipe is similar to wire. Water pump is similar to battery. If water flows more, current is high. If water flows less, current is low. Students, understanding electric current is the first step to learning electricity. So I hope you all understand this concept of electric current. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel for more easy learning. Thank you so much for watching.